Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. I'm back again, guys. I'm back again with another celebration. I am here to celebrate another pretty, lovely baby girl. Another my sweet pie. My second one person. Oh my God. The baby girl when resemble me finish. Oh my God. If you talk about Wahala, I did it. If you talk about sweet, he did it. If you talk about ginger, she did it. She carried me finish. Now she, Sarah. Sarah, baby girl, I'm here to celebrate your day. Today is your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you best of luck in everything you are doing in life. I pray God grant your mother and your father their heart desire. I pray God give them more money, to train you in school. That is my prayer for you. I'm here. I'm going to sing for you, Sarah. Okay? I'm going to sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sarah, my baby girl, I love you. You are my best baby. The baby when they talk say, I not be your friend though. I not be your friend though. Sarah, I love you. You are my bestie. Oh my God. God will bless you. God will promote you. If you go to school, you will not go in vain in Jesus' name. This is my wish for you. Okay, so guys, please help me to wish this my baby girl, my sweet potato, my sugar baby girl, happy birthday. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you all. And before I go, please, if you are watching my video for the first time or you are just passing by, please do subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, like and share. As you do so, God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Stay blessed, stay cool, and bye-bye.